Welcome to a tutorial on deleting your Netflix watch history. This is done using the web browser version of Netflix, not the app. Let's begin. Go to netflix.com and make sure you are logged in. Now go to the URL bar of your browser and type netflix.com/wi viewing activity. This will load the page that displays your entire Netflix watch history for your account. If you want to delete something from your watch history, click on the X beside the title name. It can take up to 24 hours for Netflix to remove the history from your account. And that draws an end to this short tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.